Doc.
What's the situation?
The patient's in critical condition. What do you need from me?
Glove me. Right. Scalpel.
A scalpel?
Tim Hortons.
Oh, Tim Hortons?
Damn.
Is it alive? Are these yours? Is that yours? No, not mine. Bro.
This video is sponsored by Torrents.
Before we start this video, make sure you hit that like button right down there, alright?
If you ain't subscribed, subscribe.
And also post notification bells to make sure you never miss a video, okay? If you're returning here, we love you.
Yeah, we do.
And if you're brand new, man, welcome to the group.
Yeah, we almost love you.
What is this here, man? I'm pretty hype about this.
Bro, we got
The Yeezy Quantum.
in the barium colorway, bro. If you guys didn't know, we're wearing the mask and the gloves because we don't want to get...
Yeah. No one ain't got COVID over here, alright?
Should we open this?
Yeah, let's just open it, then we'll
Yeah.
talk about it
Yeah,
first,
yeah.
alright? So,
I'm scared.
yeah.
Do we just pull it like
just,
this? How are we doing this?
Oh, maybe this could be a thumbnail.
Hey. Oh my god, oh my
It's
god.
Yeezy Box Premium, man. I never felt cardboard like this before.
This is like...
Oh,
yeah.
Have you ever noticed, man, the
What-
Q on the Yeezy Box looks like a power button?
Is it supposed to power something up?
Yeah. You know why?
What?
Because I'm turned on by this, no? Yo. You need a booster? Look at that! We got the Yeezy Quantum basketball in the barium. Hold up, yo. Barium, just jump over, jump, man.
Damn.
Man, it's just looking like this would be something that you could rock with like a Margiela face mask, man. Shout out Kanye one time for Yeezy.
Bro, you know about that luxury and fashion? Bro, who are you?
Keep rocking
Yeah.
and keep knocking. Anyways, man.
It went on retail for $250 USD.
Damn, $250 USD on the market, man. So in Canadian, you're pushing about
that's a
300.
mortgage. That's a
300,
mortgage,
man.
yeah.
Also, these guys here released on June 25th of 2020, so
That's
not so
crazy,
long
yeah.
ago.
Torrents, how?
What do we got going on here?
Bro, it's like a translucent.
We got a yellow,
Oh.
golden, translucent outsole going on here. It's got them ripples effects, you know what I'm saying?
yeah.
Because this is wavy. This is wavy, man. Yo, wave check.
Oh, bro, your hair straight as fuck.
That's for that good grip here. You can expect these here to be good on the court.
Can you? Ooh, oh yeah.
Yo, look at that! And it's got that good
That's
curvature here on the bottom too.
Yeah, I
Just
see
you know
that.
for that good heel to toe running action. You know what I'm saying?
What's that heel to toe?
It's like that. It's, you're
Oh,
kind of
yeah.
like doing a worm
The
with
heel
your
to
foot.
toe.
Heel to toe. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
That's how you get the
Oh.
most velocity without endangering your body parts. You know what I'm saying?
You might say that's how you go quantum.
Let's move it up here now, man. We got a beautiful, translucent, white, clear casing, and it's just all around the Boost midsole.
It's
You know what I'm
clean. It's
saying?
clean.
And definitely feel like Boost.
Yeah, it does. Bro, what's this on the heel? What the fuck that mean?
We have a super sturdy, very secure. Hold on, man. I'm just gonna take off this mask here.
Yeah, no way.
It has a unique, very obscure looking round bread. It's like a bun, you know what I'm saying? You'd almost say it's kind of like a 3M paint going on
Yeah,
here, if
for
anything.
real.
But I do want to touch it. I'm gonna touch it.
No.
I'm gonna touch it.
No.
Just use my thumb, just a
no,
thumb?
No, bro. Bro, no.
Ooh,
What do you feel like?
this smooth.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Dude, that look like, you know, someone who doesn't like have facial hair, but like they got the little baby hairs. Is that what it feels like, yo? What would this be? A TPU cage?
Yeah, so this upper is surrounded by a TPU wave style cage. Just underneath this cage here, we got some 3M embedded prime knit uppers going on here, you know? It's got like a silver-esque python-y camel green color.
true. It's-
Barium.
We got a suede overlay on the toe box here.
Ooh. It's kind of like, you know when you have a vintage black t-shirt just freshly bought from Value Village?
Ew.
It's a 90s t-shirt.
It been used. Right off the bat, it's looking like a very protective and durable shoe.
Very protective, man. One thing to reference the protection, it's got a neoprene ankle locking system, okay?
I see
First
that.
off, it's very flexible, so it's easy to insert your foot into the sneaker
very
here, alright?
easy.
It's tapered like that. The reason why is when you slip this in, it suction cup locks your foot in there, man. Slips it right in, locks it right there.
It does.
Ankle
It
won't
ain't-
move.
it ain't moving.
Get the buckets, know what I'm saying?
You got
Chicken
it.
nuggets.
Oh! Yo, damn.
Dude, just look on the inner here, alright? But if you just pull it down a little bit, you can see
I don't-
there's some holes here. You can actually lace this up all the way onto the top. It's got a suede interior too, man, so your ankles be thanking you every day.
Oh, damn, that's comfy.
Feel that ankle cushion, man.
Oh!
Where'd that
wait
come
a
from?
minute, bro, they just added it right now.
Yeah.
They patched it.
Yo, this has an ankle cushion on
Oh.
both sides, medial and lateral.
Oh, damn, you know your words.
Bro, it feels really nice here, man. Like, they hug it.
Yeah, my medial and laterals be nice.
I've got some skinny ankles, but I think these would be reaching.
Oh, bro, I think, yeah, you be touching it at least.
Yeah.
This egglet looking chocolate dipped.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Damn, dog.
You see that?
They lower support that bitch.
Yeah, bro, removable insole?
Ooh,
I don't know, I'm not touching it.
yeah, I'm not touching it. I'm not touching it. I don't want to touch it.
I see Yeezy
I'm
though.
not-
It says Adidas Yeezy.
Cushion test. It's got some squish to
It's got a
it.
little squish.
You can definitely feel the cushion from that insole there, but on top of that, you can feel the cushion from the boost just underneath that. That's just with my middle finger here. Shout out to my haters. But you know, like if you're able to feel that just with your middle finger, imagine what your heel gonna feel,
Oh,
man.
bro, I ain't gonna feel something nice.
You're gonna feel something real nice, man.
Yeah, damn.
Damn.
You got a long middle finger. I had to, like, damn, bro.
Yeah, this is like 3
Yeah,
feet
bro,
deep.
I had to, like, you really got in there. I'm a size 8, you know, and it looking size 8, but it got a little give to it, you know.
That's true. It's a little bit wider, man. You know, this is.
Is it a phone, bro?
Oh! Yo, this. Yo, what? Hello.
Hey, hey.
Yeah, a very nice silhouette, I have to say. I love the ankle. I like that trapezoid kind of vibe. You know what I'm saying?
Yes.
But the colorway is not something for me.
Oh, it ain't?
No.
Lately, I've been a Yeezy hater. Like, I just got so bored of them, you know? So when I saw these in pictures, I was like, bro, this is trash, yo. Be able to feel it and see it, and like, it's right here.
Does it hit different?
It's starting to grow on me a little bit, you know? Like, I'm starting to think, like, I can kind of rock that in public, you know?
Yeah.
Like, I'd probably have some loud-ass fit, and then this is just there at the bottom.
Would you ball in these, dude?
I can confirm I would not. What? No, this is weighing at least 20,000.
You gotta be a power forward here.
Right.
You gotta be running like Sergi Paca.
I guess on feet. Torrance for sponsoring this video.
Yo, big shout outs to Torrance, man. This helps out our channel so much. Hey, if you guys don't know him, follow his Instagram right over here. He does some funny Instagram story unboxings for sneakers.
You're a real one. Day one.
Yeah, for real, man. You've been in day one, man. I
Yeah.
really appreciate you, for real. Let us know in the comments below
Down
if you messed
below.
with these.
Hey man, if you even like this video, make sure you hit that like button.
You gotta subscribe if y'all haven't subscribed yet, man. You'll see
Come
more
on.
content like this and
Notification bell.
yeah.
That's really. It's a little expensive. I don't know.
I love Michael B. Jordan. Oh, dude, what's up? How's your day going?